But dude, what the fuck? So, okay. My makeup looks pretty good normally. Not bad at all. I don't think it looks bad. You might, and that's fine. But every time, like, okay, I'm a mom. I got 2 kids. I usually have to, like, do it and go. I don't have 3 hours to sit there and do my makeup. But every time I blend more, like if I have extra time, like earlier my husband was watching them outside and I was in here all alone. I could do whatever the fuck I wanted. And I was just blending my eye makeup. Every time I do that, it looks so much better. Like, I know because blending makes it look better, but that's really fucking annoying. I don't have that kind of blending time. Like, what the shit? That just really got on my nerves today when I was doing this initial eye look. Just thought you should know. Hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. Now, I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, and I just never sat down to do it. I'm going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner. I'm going to try to. But everything that I learned from Hot Mess Tom and his Kiss series, his Keep It Simple, Stupid, or I don't know. I'll link the video below if he still has it public and up. But I watched that video and I was like, oh, that's how you fucking do it. Alright. And ever since then, I could do it myself. And I've done a couple of my own little tricks and stuff to make it work better for me. So I'm going to share those with you now. So my very favorite liquid liner to do this with is the NYX Epic Ink. I just love the way it's smooth and the width of it's a brush tip, but it works more like a felt tip to me. But this is my very favorite liner to use to do that. Sometimes it's not that thick of a liner, but every once in a while I just want a thinner liner, or I can't find this, but mostly when I want a thinner liner, I use the NYX That's the Point, which is, okay, so this is the Epic Ink. It's still pretty thin. And this one is That's the Point. So, but they're both pretty good. So hopefully when I do it, I can zoom in and show you better. I mean, I'll try to explain as I go. Alright, so I like to put my glitter or shinies on first. Well, I do all my eye makeup first. So this is the last thing I do before mascara and all that shit. But I like to start with the wing, because to me, it's easier to do the part over the lid, and that way I can line it up better. So I like to start with the wing, and I start with the bottom part of the wing, and I go to the corner of my eyelid, and I go up. I take the line up to the end of my eyebrow. I angle it that way so that it lines up with the end of my eyebrow, which is the reason I like to do my eyebrows before I do my liner. But every once in a while I just kind of guess where I'm going to put my eyebrow. So, and I usually like to do a fairly cute little small wing. Every once in a while I'll do something crazy big, but it's usually just a cute little wing. It doesn't usually go outside my eye makeup. So just like that. And then I start at that point at the end of that line I just made. And I go usually, when I want it thinner, I go about in the middle of where let's see, the last 1/4 of my eye, the outside 1/4 of my eye. But this time I'm going to go probably to where the darker shade and the sparkle shade meet. So I'm going to start at the point of that line, just go like that. And then I color it in. And then, okay. So then this part is always hard for me because my eye, even if I shut it and only open it, it likes to blink and just fuck all my shit up. But my right eye usually isn't bad. So I usually start on the inside and go close to my lash line and meet where the end of my wing is. If I think I'm going to blink, I hurry up and take it off. But that doesn't always work sometimes. And I do short little strokes just so I don't fuck it up. I try to go, if I don't go in close to the middle, inside of my eyes I want, I'll go back. I'll get really close to my mirror. Like really close to make sure I can see it. And then there. So that's one eye. Now, getting them to match is always really fucking hard. But, again, alright. So I start with the wing, because I'm a righty, so there's another reason why this is harder. But again, I start with the bottom line, and I'm going to start with the wing first. And look on this side, I see I took it like a little bit just inside the end of my eyeshadow. So then I go again, the angle of the end of my eyebrow. Yeah. And then the same, I did a straight line from the end of that line to where the sparkle and the matte color meet. Sparkle and the darker color, whatever, you know what I mean. This eye wing never looks as pretty as this one does. That was not bad. And then I colored in. Actually, you see? Not bad. Now this eye, when I do from the inner corner to the outside, is always where I fuck it up. I'll insert pictures of how bad I fuck it up, and I still post the pictures so that everyone can see the fucking up just happens sometimes. I also heard from my friend Layla Harris that if you close your eye for like, I think she said 30 seconds, but I don't have fucking 30 seconds. So I usually do it for 10. If you close your eye for 10 seconds, that it helps 30. It helps get like the blinkies out or whatever, something like that. It makes it easier to not blink. But my eyelids are really ticklish, so that shit doesn't always help. So, and since I'm using the mirror and the eyeliner, I can't stretch my eyelid, which might make it easier and not let me fuck up as much. But I gotta see it to do it, so I wasn't counting, so that's probably okay. Again, start towards the middle. Did you see that? I fucking blinked as soon as the fucking eyeliner pen touched. And this one I like to get really close because that helps not let it blink. It's tickling me. I don't know. And that was actually the best I've done it in a really long time. So that is how I do my winged liner. So I'm going to do my mascara and my lipstick, and I'll be back. So let me know if any of these tips or tricks or anything I said helped you out. Tag me in your winged Instagram pictures. Let me see how let me see what your wing looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.